Have you ever seen those brightly colored strips of tape on athletes? Maybe you've spotted them on runners, swimmers, or tennis players. That's kinesiology tape, and it's changing the way we think about pain relief and athletic performance. No longer confined to professional sports, kinesiology taping is becoming increasingly popular with everyday people. Whether you're recovering from an injury or pushing for a new personal best, this simple yet powerful tool could be your new best friend. Curious to learn more? Keep reading to discover the fascinating history of kinesiology taping and how you can use it to support your own body's natural healing process. The story of kinesiology taping begins in the 1970s with a Japanese chiropractor named Dr. Kenzo Kase. Dr. Kase was dissatisfied with the limitations of traditional athletic taping methods. He found that rigid tapes, while providing support, often restricted movement and hindered the body's natural healing process. His solution? A revolutionary new approach. Dr. Kase envisioned a tape that would mimic the properties of human skin. He wanted a material that was both flexible and supportive, allowing for a full range of motion while providing pain relief and promoting healing. This vision led to the creation of kinesiology tape, a groundbreaking invention that would go on to revolutionize sports medicine and beyond. Kinesiology tape isn't your average athletic tape. Unlike traditional athletic tape, which is often rigid and used primarily to restrict movement and provide support, kinesiology tape is designed to work with your body, not against it. It's designed with a unique elasticity that gently lifts the skin. This lifting action is not just a simple mechanical effect. It has profound implications for how your body feels and functions. This lifting action creates a subtle decompression effect on the tissues beneath. By lifting the skin, kinesiology tape helps to create space in the underlying tissues, which can alleviate pressure and allow for better fluid movement. This can help to reduce pressure on pain receptors, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and promote overall tissue health. The reduction in pressure on pain receptors can lead to a decrease in pain sensation, making it easier to move and perform daily activities, and provide support to muscles and joints. This support is dynamic, meaning it allows for a full range of motion while still providing the necessary stability to prevent injury. But the benefits of kinesiology tape go beyond just the physical. It's not just about the mechanical support, it's also about how it interacts with your nervous system. The tape's constant, gentle stimulation on the skin also sends signals to the brain. These signals are part of a complex feedback loop that can influence how your body perceives pain and how it coordinates movement. These signals can help to improve awareness of body positioning, reduce pain perception, and enhance muscle activation. Improved body awareness can lead to better posture and movement patterns, which can prevent injuries and enhance performance. Essentially, kinesiology tape works by facilitating the body's natural healing processes. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it helps to address the underlying issues by promoting better function and recovery. It's like having a 24/7 mini massage, gently supporting your body as it recovers and performs at its best. This continuous support can be especially beneficial for athletes and individuals with chronic pain, as it provides ongoing relief and promotes long-term healing. The popularity of kinesiology taping has skyrocketed in recent years. A quick search on Google Trends reveals a dramatic increase in searches for kinesiology tape over the past year alone. This surge in interest speaks volumes about the effectiveness of this simple yet powerful tool. More and more people are discovering the benefits of kinesiology tape, from professional athletes to weekend warriors to individuals seeking relief from everyday aches and pains. This growing trend reflects a shift towards more holistic and proactive approaches to health and wellness. Section 5. The Science Behind the Stripes, Research and Evidence. In this section, we delve into the rigorous scientific studies and empirical evidence that support the use of kinesiology tape. While personal testimonials abound, the scientific community is also taking notice of kinesiology tape. Researchers from various fields, including sports medicine, physical therapy, and orthopedics, have been investigating its potential benefits. Numerous studies have been conducted to investigate its efficacy in treating a variety of conditions. These studies range from small-scale clinical trials to large, multi-center research projects, all aiming to understand how kinesiology tape can aid in pain management and functional improvement. For example, a study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that kinesiology taping, when combined with exercise, was effective in reducing pain and improving function in patients with shoulder pain. This study involved a controlled group of patients who were monitored over several weeks, providing robust data on the tape's effectiveness. Other studies have shown promising results in using kinesiology tape for conditions such as knee pain, back pain, plantar fasciitis, and lymphedema. These studies often involve detailed methodologies, including randomized controlled trials and double-blind studies, to ensure the reliability of the findings. While more research is always being conducted, the existing evidence suggests that kinesiology taping can be a valuable tool in managing pain, improving function, and enhancing athletic performance. The ongoing research continues to explore new applications and refine techniques, making kinesiology tape an evolving and dynamic field of study. As more data becomes available, the medical community is better equipped to recommend its use in various therapeutic and athletic settings. Section 6. Taping Techniques, a Beginner's Guide. In this section, we will walk you through the essential steps and tips to effectively use kinesiology tape, especially if you are just starting out. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone looking to manage pain, these techniques can be incredibly beneficial. One of the best things about kinesiology tape is its ease of use. You don't need to be a professional to apply it correctly. With the right guidance and a bit of practice, you can master the basics and even some advanced techniques. With a little practice, anyone can learn to apply it effectively. The key is to follow the steps carefully and pay attention to the details. Over time, you'll become more confident and proficient in using the tape. Here are a few basic tips to get you started. These foundational tips will help ensure that you get the most out of your kinesiology tape application, providing the support and relief you need. Start with clean, dry skin. This is crucial because any moisture or oils can affect the tape's ability to stick properly. Make sure to wash the area thoroughly and dry it completely before you begin. Make sure the area is free of lotions, oils, or sweat. These substances can create a barrier between your skin and the tape, reducing its effectiveness. If you've recently applied lotion, wait until it has fully absorbed or wash it off before taping. Measure and cut the tape to the desired length. It's important to have the right length of tape for the area you're targeting. Too short, and it won't provide adequate support. Too long, and it may be cumbersome to apply. Round the edges of the tape to prevent it from peeling. This simple step can make a big difference in how long the tape stays on. Rounded edges are less likely to catch on clothing or other surfaces, helping the tape to adhere better and last longer. Apply the tape with gentle tension. You don't need to pull the tape too tight. A gentle stretch is usually sufficient to provide the support you need without causing discomfort or restricting movement. Avoid stretching the tape too tightly. Overstretching can cause skin irritation and reduce the tape's effectiveness. It's better to apply it with a moderate amount of tension and adjust as needed. Rub the tape firmly after application. This helps to activate the adhesive and ensures that the tape sticks well to your skin. Spend a few moments pressing down on the tape, especially around the edges. This will activate the adhesive and help it to adhere better. The warmth from your hands can also help the tape to bond more effectively with your skin, providing longer-lasting support. Remember, it's always best to consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the best taping technique for your specific needs. They can provide valuable insights and recommendations based on your individual condition and goals. They can assess your condition and provide personalized guidance on how to use kinesiology tape safely and effectively. This ensures that you get the maximum benefit from the tape while minimizing any potential risks or side effects. Always prioritize your health and well-being by seeking professional advice when needed. Section 7. Your kinesio taping journey. Share your story. Have you tried kinesiology taping? We want to hear about your experience. Share your story in the comments below and let us know how kinesiology tape has helped you. Your feedback is valuable and can help others discover the benefits of this amazing tool. Section 8. Thank you from Fax Academy 0122. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of kinesiology taping. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fax Academy 0122 for more fascinating facts and insights on health, wellness, and beyond. Together, let's continue to learn, grow, and unlock our full potential.